Hey there, I'm Sean C. Davis, and I just opened up and set up this really cool keyboard that I got from Netlify. And it's got some cool features and functions on it, and I'll share those in another video. But for now, I had to share this. Listen. Isn't that great? It sounds so nice. I think the hardest thing that I'm getting used to right away is the smell. It smells. It's a familiar smell. It's been probably years since I have last smelled this smell. What is it? Oh, I know. It's productivity. This keyboard smells like productivity.